Meaning of Galway.
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 Galway. Galway is a city located on the west coast of Ireland, known for its vibrant culture and rich history. The name Galway is believed to have originated from the Irish word Gaelum, meaning stony river. The River Corrib flows through the city centre and is an integral part of Galway's charm. Galway has a thriving arts and music scene, with numerous festivals throughout the year, including the famous Galway International Arts Festival. The city also boasts beautiful beaches, charming streets filled with colourful buildings and bustling pubs where visitors can enjoy traditional Irish music and dance.